Did you know the air inside your home can be more polluted than outside? Shocking! Chemicals from furniture, carpets, and cleaning products are quietly harming your health, but the solution is easier than you think. Today, I'm going to show you 6 amazing indoor plants that naturally detox your home, purify the air, and make your space look stunning, all without complicated gadgets or filters. Stick around because number 6 will completely surprise you. 1. Snake plant, also called mother-in-law's tongue. Did you know your bedroom could actually be harming your sleep without you realizing it? Shocking! Well, there's a plant that fixes that naturally. Meet the snake plant. This hardy plant is a superhero when it comes to cleaning indoor air. Unlike most plants, the snake plant releases oxygen even at night, making it perfect for your bedroom. It actively removes harmful toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, which are commonly found in furniture, carpets, and paint fumes. Caring for the snake plant is ridiculously easy. It can survive in low light, needs watering only once every few weeks, and even tolerates neglect, perfect for busy lifestyles. Its striking upright leaves not only add a touch of modern elegance to any room, but also make it a conversation starter. Placing it near your bed, living room, or office can dramatically improve air quality and even enhance your mood. Imagine breathing cleaner air effortlessly every day. And don't worry about complicated care routines. The snake plant thrives on minimal attention. So, if you want a plant that's low maintenance, looks stunning, and actively purifies your home, the snake plant is your ultimate choice. Trust me, once you bring it home, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 2. Peace lily. Struggling with indoor allergies or a dry, stale home? The peace lily might just be the miracle you need. This beautiful flowering plant is not only stunning, but also a powerhouse at removing indoor toxins like ammonia, formaldehyde, and even mold spores from the air. That's right, your home can actually feel fresher and cleaner just by placing a peace lily in key spots. Peace lilies are especially great for bedrooms, bathrooms, or offices. They naturally add humidity to the air, which helps prevent dry skin, sinus irritation, and even respiratory discomfort. Plus, those elegant white flowers aren't just decoration, they symbolize calm, peace, and wellness, bringing a zen-like vibe to your home. Taking care of a peace lily is easier than you think. It prefers indirect sunlight and slightly moist soil, so a simple weekly watering routine is usually enough. Keep the leaves dust-free to maximize their air cleaning power. One amazing thing about this plant is its ability to filter out mold spores, making it ideal for humid areas where mold can grow. In short, the peace lily is not only visually gorgeous, but also a natural air purifier that transforms your indoor environment. With just a little care, it will keep your home smelling fresh, feeling clean, and looking effortlessly beautiful. Bring one home today and enjoy the serenity and clean air it offers. 3. Spider plant. Want a plant that's almost impossible to kill, but still cleans your air like a pro? Meet the spider plant. This charming, easy-to-grow houseplant is a favorite for beginners because it thrives in almost any indoor environment. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's an air-purifying powerhouse. Spider plants effectively remove pollutants such as carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene, all of which are commonly found in household products, paints, and cleaning chemicals. The spider plant is also a fantastic choice for kids or pets because it's non-toxic. Its long, arching green leaves with white stripes give any room a fresh, vibrant look, and its baby offshoots, called pups, can be propagated to create new plants. Imagine multiplying your indoor garden effortlessly. Caring for spider plants is easy. They prefer bright, indirect sunlight, but can tolerate lower light levels. Water them moderately, letting the soil dry slightly between waterings. Dust the leaves occasionally so they can breathe and purify the air effectively. Placing a spider plant in your living room, bedroom, or even kitchen ensures a cleaner, fresher indoor environment. It's not just about looks. This plant actively improves air quality while adding life and vibrancy to your home. Whether you want a beginner-friendly plant or a natural air purifier, the spider plant is the perfect choice. It's low maintenance, attractive, and naturally detoxifies your space without any fuss. Your home and your lungs will thank you for it.
4. Aloe Vera. Think aloe vera is only for sunburns and skin care? Think again. This amazing succulent does more than soothe your skin, it actively purifies your home's air. Aloe vera removes harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, which are released from paints, detergents, and cleaning supplies. That means just having a few aloe vera plants can help you breathe cleaner, healthier air naturally. Aloe vera is incredibly easy to care for. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks. Overwatering is its only enemy, so a little goes a long way. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water and essential nutrients, making it almost impossible to kill. Plus, you can even use the gel inside for minor cuts, burns, or skin hydration, making it a multitasking home companion. This plant is perfect for kitchens, living rooms, or even bathrooms with sunny spots. Its modern, spiky leaves give any room a sleek, contemporary feel. Aloe vera not only enhances your home decor, but also actively detoxifies the air, improving your health and well-being. Imagine walking into a room filled with clean, fresh air while enjoying the natural beauty of aloe vera plants. It's effortless, beautiful, and healthy. With minimal care, you get maximum benefits: air purification, decor, and a natural first aid kit. So bring home aloe vera today and let it transform your living space into a cleaner, fresher, and healthier environment. 5. Areca palm. Want to turn your home into a natural oasis? The areca palm is your ultimate indoor companion. Known for its lush, feathery fronds, this plant doesn't just look tropical, it's a natural air purifier and humidifier. It removes harmful toxins like xylene and toluene from the air while releasing moisture, which helps combat dry indoor environments. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, it makes every corner feel fresh and vibrant. Areca palms are relatively easy to care for. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer slightly moist soil. Be careful not to overwater. Too much water can harm the roots. With its tall, elegant structure, it creates a calming, tropical vibe that instantly uplifts your interior decor. Beyond aesthetics, the areca palm improves air quality by naturally humidifying the air, which is great for skin, hair, and respiratory health. Placing 1 or 2 palms in your home can transform dry, stale air into a refreshing environment. It's a safe option for pets and children, making it a versatile addition to any household. Imagine a room filled with the gentle sway of palm fronds while breathing fresh, humidified air. That's the magic of areca palm. It's a low-maintenance, visually stunning plant that actively contributes to your well-being. If you're looking to combine indoor greenery, air purification, and natural humidity, the areca palm is an absolute must-have. Its presence brings life, beauty, and health benefits all in one plant. 4. Boston Fern. Looking for a plant that's both beautiful and a toxin-fighting champion? Meet the Boston Fern. Known for its lush, feathery leaves, this plant is excellent at removing indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. It's perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or humid areas because it thrives in moisture-rich environments while naturally improving air quality. Boston ferns are not just decorative, they actively release moisture into the air, which helps prevent dryness, reduces dust, and improves respiratory comfort. Their cascading fronds create a soft, natural aesthetic that enhances any space, whether hung in baskets or placed on shelves. Caring for Boston ferns requires a bit more attention than some other plants. They prefer indirect sunlight, high humidity, and consistently moist soil. Misting the leaves or placing the plant near a water source ensures it stays healthy and vibrant. With the right care, Boston ferns can grow full and lush, creating a mini indoor forest effect that makes your home feel alive and refreshing. Adding a Boston fern to your indoor garden isn't just about looks, it's about creating a healthier environment. Its air purifying and humidifying properties make it a natural ally for anyone looking to breathe cleaner air. Imagine a home where the air feels fresher, humidity is balanced, and natural tranquility fills every corner. The Boston fern is more than a plant, it's a natural air cleaner that transforms your living space while looking stunning. Give it the care it needs, and it will reward you with endless freshness and lush greenery. Pro tip: here's the ultimate tip to maximize the benefits of all these indoor plants. Placement and care are everything. Even the most powerful air-purifying plants won't work effectively if they're not properly positioned. Place your snake plant in bedrooms to improve nighttime oxygen, peace lilies near humid areas to reduce mold, and spider plants in common living spaces to combat carbon monoxide. Aloe vera thrives in sunny kitchen spots, areca palms love bright indirect light, and Boston ferns need consistent humidity to flourish. Regular maintenance is key. Dusting leaves ensures plants can breathe and filter toxins efficiently. Water them appropriately. Overwatering is just as harmful as neglect. Rotate plants occasionally so all sides receive light. Pairing these plants in clusters enhances air purification and creates a stunning visual impact. Indoor plants not only improve air quality, but also uplift your mood, reduce stress, and make your home feel alive. They are natural detoxifiers, humidifiers, and decor elements all in one. Imagine walking into a home filled with fresh air, vibrant greenery, and natural tranquility. By combining these 6 powerhouse plants, you create a holistic indoor ecosystem where beauty meets health. Your home becomes not just a place to live, but a sanctuary for cleaner air, better sleep, and overall well-being. With minimal effort and smart placement, your indoor garden will thrive and reward you daily.